13th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have retail inflation moves up marginally to 0.7% in November. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have training on for government teachers in Indian knowledge system. Again, very important for education perspective. Then we have 70% of 4 promises fulfilled in 2 years, says Rajasthan's CM. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have sense of fairness behind non-Tamil Nadu natives on panel to monitor CBI probe into Karur stampede, says Supreme Court. Again, very important. Then we have in Karnataka, 188 government schools have zero enrollment, only one teacher in 6,675 institutes. Again, very important for education perspective. Then we have Nasik Kumbh Mela, NGT stays cutting of 1,700 trees in Tapovan. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have census 2027 to cost 11,718 crore. No separate budget earmarked for NPR. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have government likely to rename Manrega to Pujya Babu Gramin Rozgar Yojana. Again, very important for quality and governance perspective. Then we have 5,000 ex-servicemen to fill railway pointsman post. Again, very important for employment perspective. Then we have PF contribution on wages beyond 15,000 voluntary. Again, very important for economic perspective. Going forward, we have the world page where we have EU set to lock up Russia's frozen assets despite Hungary's protest. Then we have US sanctions relatives of Maduro's 6 shipping firms. Then we have Thailand, Cambodia have agreed to renew ceasefire, says Trump. Then lastly, we have India frees up business visas for Chinese professionals in major step to boost ties. All these news are very important for international business perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.